Kangana Ranaut is trailing in Mandi. Kangana Ranaut is trailing in Mandi. TMC is ahead in Diamond Harbour. And Bharatiya Janata Party is leading in Coimbatore, as Sudha was telling me. Sudha. Yes.
So the thing is that it's early trends. I will not try to jump the gun, but the point is that Annamalai has done, and he walked the talk, and literally walked the talk, and I think that this is something which is not surprising. The other two seats, of course, will come to that later, Theni and Tirunelveli, but as of now, that BJP is leading in Coimbatore is not surprising at all.
Can I ask you a question?
Sure, Ajit.
Is there a correlation between
Ajit,
more prosperous districts?
More than that, why is the Kangana Ranaut trailing in Mandi?
Indeed, it is.
You know why? Because
but it's too early, as Sudha
even
pointed
if it is
out,
too early,
it's very
Kangana Ranaut had an edge. The Prime Minister campaigned for her. Veerbhadra Singh's son was forced to fight that election.
No, but then I heard the vox pops on our channels. A lot of people said, "ये महाराज का बेटा है, ये हमारे लिए करेगा, इसके परिवार ने हमारे लिए किया है, ये तो फिल्मों में चली जाएगी, नहीं पर वो फिल्मों में वापस जा सकती है। देखिए बॉलीवुड का जो आकर्षण है उसको तो आप लेके नहीं जा सकते,
अपने महल जा सकते हैं,
तो महल में जाके भी काम करेंगे ना, ये तो शूटिंग करेंगे आप और मैं जैसे
डिस्ट्रिक्ट है। Don't forget this entire constituency is a Thakur constituency.
अरे भाई,
and
Prime
she's a
Minister spoke
Thakur,
about Nari Shakti,
but she's a Thakur also. You know,
Prime Minister spoke about.
But I'll still insist it's too early.
I know.
So to reach a conclusion right now, whether it's the Queen or the Prince.
I mean to say, see, you have to go by the leads. If you go by the leads, you know, see, you have to. If you look at Bharatiya Janata Party, if you look at Congress, most of the leads that have come, Bharatiya Janata Party is winning. In very few seats, Bharatiya Janata Party right now is trailing. BJP has an evident lead.
It's like the conclusion we reached. पहाड़ हो तो BJP.
No, वो तो conclusion तो वो है कि पहाड़ का पानी, पहाड़ का जवानी, पहाड़ के काम नहीं आता.
Look at the pedigree of Viswajit Singh, right? His father had been chief minister almost like Naveen Babu in Odisha, right?
Since was a legacy.
I think it was in Lok Sabha in 1952 with Panditji.
That's right. And he's, I mean, uninterrupted, he sort of ran the state. And this particular constituency, Mandi, you know, वहाँ चार constituency है. Brahman constituencies, Thakur constituencies. Mandi is basically the strongest Thakur constituency.
Okay, tell me, Sudha, why is Raja giving such a tough fight to Kangana?
That is because Kangana Ranaut, for all said and done, I mean, I'm not going to sit on judgment. She's had a lot of people attacking her. It's very simple. It's about legacy. It's about Vishwas. कि ये हमारे हैं. You know, so that is the whole point, Ajit, is what I think. Not that it's too early. Again, I will add that rider again and again. It's too early. But let's also not forget that here is someone who's a young woman. She's in her 30s. Vikramaditya is also young. Almost the same age, both of them. But like you were saying, Ajit, this man, Vikramaditya, has a legacy. And I heard a lot of people saying that वो हमारे लिए महाराज का बेटा हमारे लिए काम करेगा.
अच्छा है, दो जवान कैंडिडेट्स ने मंडी में आग लगा के रखी है. Good journalism, good data, good for us. You know, kabhi it's an interesting election. If you look at these leads, Rahul Gandhi ahead in Rai Bareli, Kangana Ranaut is trailing in Mandi. You know, Diamond Harbour TMC is doing so well. You know, it's ahead. You know, these are the leads which we are getting. NDA is 38, 18 seats for India and 1 for other.